Well, hello, 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 everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to each and every one of you. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your support, love, encouragement. Much appreciated and much gratitude. And thank you to all my amazing business partners for being here today. Much gratitude. Thank you, everyone. My name is Uma. I live in New Jersey with my husband and my amazing daughter. And I started this business last year. And today's topic is what are the benefits of an automated system? So I am actually going to have our business partner, Ivan, introduce himself first and then tell us a little bit about this topic. Thank you,
Uh,
Ivan.
Thank you. Thank you for having me on this live show. My name is Ivan, just like my business partner just mentioned. Um, yeah, like she said earlier, the topic of today is to talk about the benefit of an automated system. So, an automated system is something that is automatic, something that is already built that allows us to just plug ourselves in and get everything going without having to go through too much hassles trying to get the tools together in order to start something. And that's what this business is about. Everything is automated, everything is already set up, the tools are there, and you just need to plug yourself in to get going. And we are here tonight to discuss this beautiful topic, and this topic that everybody's going to enjoy learning more about, and hopefully try to plug themselves in and get going and join us in our beautiful community, and hopefully become a digital online entrepreneur.
Awesome. Thank you, Ivan. Thank you for sharing that. Yes, absolutely. This business automated system works amazingly. It works. It does 90% of the heavy lifting for us, guys. So if you're looking for something as a side hustle or to do even full time, you're at the right place. Let's hear it from our another business partner. Who would like to go next? How about that? Tigist, would you like to go next and introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about the topic, please?
Sure. Hello, everyone. Um, so Ivan just joined us. We're happy to have you here, all the way from Scotland, right?
That's
UK.
correct. Yes.
We are happy to have you. And for those of you who's just joining our page, thank you so much for your support. As Uma said, my name is Tigist. I live in USA, Virginia, in Virginia State. I am a mom of three and full-time healthcare worker and an online business owner. Uh, so today's topic is what are the benefits of an automated system? Um, so I mean, what's automated system? When we say automated system, is you don't have to sit, right? There is a system that does everything for you. Not everything, but you still have to put your effort. But most of the heavy lifting is done for you. So when we talk about our, online business, we say we have automated system, and 90% is done for you. When we say that everything's set up, um, let's say, for example, I'm in healthcare. I work full time, and also I have kids, to take care. But I'll be able to run my business on the side. The reason is because of our automated system. I don't have to be there, even 5-6 hours spend time online. Everything is set up for me, and it's global. My business running in the background while I'm doing my full-time job or taking care of my kids. So this is, I think, the beauty of our business, and we be able to, all of us here, we have whether we have kids, full-time job, running this business on the side, or going to school. There is a lot of things that we do, and also be able to run this business. So because of this automated system, and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you, Uma.
No problem. Thank you. Thank you, Tigist. Really appreciate it. Guys, you heard it. It's a lot of the work is just done for you. You have to just plug it in, and you know what? You just like anything else, you have to show up for your business. You have to have that mindset that you want to be successful. You want this to work for you. So you put in your time and the results will show. It will show. If you put your time and energy into it, just like anything else, it will work for you. You have to believe in it. You have to put the time into it. All right. Let's see. Aviva, would you like to go next and introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about this topic?
Thank you, Oma. First, thank you, Oma. And I'm very grateful to have you all, guys. And thank you to those who are watching now and then who will watch later. We really appreciate it. And as you know, the people who know me already, I'm just Ababa. I'm a mom, originally from Eritrea. I'm just living as a refugee in United Kingdom. Yeah, the topic, they explain it, but you know what, guys? If we have like the very loaded program do the system, what we need, as Uma said, is just that's the willing to do something. Like if we have an help doing the low things, we just have to show up. I don't want to just repeat what all this, but we just have a very nice automated system. It do the 90%. We just need to be at 10 to show, and that's all we have to do. So guys, don't hesitate to join us with a proven system. So that's all I want to say for today. Thank you, Oma.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Beautiful. Really, really appreciate it. Thank you. Ladoran, would you like to introduce yourself to our audience and tell us a little bit about yourself and talk a little bit about this topic, please?
Hello, everyone. My name is Ladorin Tala. I'm a mom, I'm an entrepreneur, and above all, I'm a child of God. And I live in Ottawa, in Canada. And I'm originally from Cameroon. So I'm glad to have you, my partner, online today. And I'm also happy to see that we are able to do this live at the beginning of the month. And I'm just want to thank the people who are watching now. And if you are watching the replay, you can put your question about the automations on in the comment as well. So nowadays everything is going digital, and we don't just do everything mechanically. We no longer use traditional method to sell or to do anything online. I mean, to do anything like as a business. So nowadays with the digital, we do everything. But in digital, there's a system that we just introduced to you, that is automation. So automation is the system that does everything for you on the background while you're doing your own stuff normally. Sometimes you might be sleeping. I'll just take some example. Sometimes you might be sleeping, but your business page, it's sending messages, it's posting for you, for example. So sometimes you can even use emails to communicate with people, and without even touching, because you already set everything as it will be automated for you. So with this business, what we do, like if you sign up on our website now, you will receive automated emails on our behalf. That's what we call automation. And now with the intelligence, the artificial intelligence, the AI, everything is more easier. Like everything is more easier with the AI. We all know ChatGPT. Like it's not an ad that we're doing, but ChatGPT is a tool. It's an AI tool that everybody is using now. And if you don't know what ChatGPT is, you can comment, we can help you with that. And we have tons of other boots. Those are robots. And let's say when you go to the shop now, Walmart, for example, here in Canada, when you go to Walmart, for example, you will not see those cashiers as they used to be. Now you have all automated system that you go and shop your stuff, you put in the basket, and then you come and scan. Automation, everything is done for you. So now you see the system is doing, the robots is working on behalf of the company. But us in our business, what we do, because we don't sell physical items as in store, we have our boots, the system that helps to work for us as well. So basically, that's what the automation system is, and that's what the automation system does in our business. I hope I was able to answer. And if you have any other question, please feel free to comment.
You are amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Lederine, for answering that question. Really appreciate it. We have a couple of people watching us. So, Vivian Ghost Digital, thank you. Thank you for your support. Much, much gratitude to you. Thank you. And Dustin and Mehbooba, you guys are absolutely amazing watching from Canada all the time and supporting. Really, really appreciate. Hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. Much gratitude to you guys. Thank you for watching. What I would like to say about this topic is that the automated system works so well, and it worked for me personally, and it continues to work. Like you guys were talking, especially Elodorin, you mentioned that while we are sleeping. Well, while we are on vacation, it's working, right? It's working for me when I'm doing my full-time job. It's working all the time. It's working while I am spending time with my family and, creating these beautiful memories with them, right? So, when you look at the traditional business, you have to physically be there. Whereas to this digital business that comes with this proven automated system, I mean, it's no rocket science, guys, right? It's very simple. So please, you guys can sign up on any one of our websites, and we will be more than happy to guide you, show you the path, and maybe we can have you guys on these go lives with us soon. So please do reach out, and thank you so much for your time. Really, really appreciate it. Thank you all. Any last words? Anyone that would like to say anything before we sign off? Yes.
Yeah, I just
Please.
wanted to say thank you so very much, and wishing you all the best for the end of the year. I know this is Christmas time. Everybody wants to stay with their family, and that's the best time to have a business like this that will help you to stay with your family while you're making some money online. So take the decision now and sign up, and maybe next time you have this live, as Uma just said, together. So we are eager to have you in the business.
Yeah, absolutely. You know what? I personally started this business last year, and I'll tell you, it was day after Christmas, December 26th. I,
Nice
signed
Christmas
up for
present.
it. Yes. It was a beautiful Christmas present,
Happy
and
anniversary.
I've been truly, truly blessed to be part
Yeah.
of this amazing community, such supportive community. Global community, working with like-minded people. I truly treasure this business. It has helped me personally to step out of my own comfort zone, to push me and learn things about myself, which I didn't know that I could do, that I could be in front of the camera. I mean, having the background that I work in a school system. I never thought that I can do anything but what I've been doing my whole life is working in the school system. in the mental health field. So I never thought that, oh, I could do something else. But this business has completely changed my life, and I'm so grateful for it. So, but thank you so much. I don't want to take up too much of everyone's
I
time,
think
but really
Ababa
appreciate it.
Ababa has something, right?
No,
Yes, please.
Yeah, go ahead,
no,
Ababa.
sorry, I just wanna invite everyone because of Christmas, but you already discussed, guys. It's all right. It's okay. That
You
was
good
my
now?
idea. It's all right, and I
Okay.
hope because of Christmas, not because of Christmas, because of to change in their life. I just wish to invite everyone who needs a change with a new year. A lot of people planning, to have a new life change. So please use your time and then join this automated system. Wow, it's amazing. And that's all. Thank you, guys. Yeah.
Thank you, Buba. You said it so well. End of the year, give yourself that gift,
That's
that
right. Yeah.
Yeah.
absolutely. And this business, you can definitely pass it on to your kids. So why not leave that legacy for your children as well? Yeah,
Definitely.
absolutely. Anyone else?
I don't have much to add to what you guys said already. I think you said it perfectly, and I would just like to invite our whole audience, wherever they are, especially those who are still on the fence, to just plug in, buy in, and do what's necessary to join this business, because it's an amazing business. I joined this back in 2019, and I'm still amazed by the business. I'm still in love with this business. So I hope everybody else out there can have the same feelings that I have for this business, because it's purely amazing. And yeah, everybody should just join us, and our websites are here. Just enter the details in our website, and to find out more about this beautiful business. Which is probably going to change your life for the longest of time. So I'm just inviting anybody out there to just join us. And hopefully we can be sitting here one day and enjoy one of these nights together.
Great. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching us again. Thank you for your love and support. Much gratitude to each and
Thank
every
you so
one
much for
of you.
organizing this live, Uma.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're so very welcome. My pleasure. Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Have a
Happy
blessed
Sunday,
Sunday.
guys.
Happy
You too.
Sunday.
Thank you, guys.
Happy Sunday, everyone.
Thank you.
Happy Sunday. Bye.
Bye.